All right, so this week we're going to have a little dig into what we can do with ChatGPT some more. And I'm just loving it so much. I'm using it for so many things. Like I'll write an email that might be an invitation to a speaker, for example, to come and speak at an event. And I'll write the email. It's terrible. I put it into ChatGPT. I literally say, rewrite this email, and ChatGPT makes such a good sense of it. Anyway, maybe I'll dig into that a little bit later. But let's go and have a look. So first we're going to have a look at what we can do with our ideal customers' pain points. Okay, so let's take a look here. Write an emotional 500-word journal entry from the perspective of a small business owner. Email follow-up. Let's give that a go. And we hit go. I'd like to say we put our feet up and go from there, but in actual fact we can't, because it works so quickly. Dear Journal, I can feel the weight of the world pressing down on me today. It's been weeks since I launched my small business, and it's been a roller coaster of emotions. But right now, it's email deliverability that's driving me to the brink of despair. I had high hopes when I started this venture. I believed in my product and my vision. I poured my heart and soul into crafting, and so forth and so on. Now I'm going to copy this and put it into the blog post for you, so you have that there to download and you can have a read of that. The stress is becoming unbearable. I find myself constantly refreshing my email client, desperately hoping for a glimmer of hope. I become consumed by this relentless obsession. So it's pretty dramatic, I guess, but it certainly has put it in perspective. Now let's add to that then, shall we? To follow up and get more sales, but cannot do it because the technology is struggle. There we go, and let's have a look at that. The frustration of someone who wants to follow up and generate more sales but is struggling with technology and can be incredibly demoralizing. Insufficient CRM systems, integration challenges. Modern businesses rely on a multitude of software tools and various purposes. From email marketing to inventory management, connecting them all up is quite difficult, isn't it? Email deliverability issues. As mentioned in the previous journal entry, email deliverability can see it's referring to that stuff, which is really good. And there's quite a few points of difference for small business. I could be writing an article on each one of these and digging in there and going a little bit deeper. Maybe I will. But let's take the next one. What are some of the common desires and frustrations of small business owners? Let's go and dig into that some more. See, what it seems to be doing, which is really cool, is taking the chat and making the responses in reference to the things above: financial success, independence, passion and purpose, growth and expansion, customer satisfaction, work-life balance. Look, work-life balance. You could write a whole series on that, couldn't you? Frustrations, financial challenges, regulatory burdens, marketing and visibility. That's the biggest one, isn't it? Being able to market your business and get new leads coming in. Let's have a look here now. I love this one. Let's see how it goes though. Let's have a look here. There's 20 possible audiences on Facebook who could be interested in follow-up solutions for small. Yeah, let's give that a go. Entrepreneurs, marketing managers, sales teams, e-commerce. So it's giving me the types of people that could be interested in Facebook, or well, a Facebook audience now, because I asked them 20 possible audiences on Facebook. So audiences on Facebook, these are people we can target on Facebook. So that's a really cool thing to do there as well.